Manas Chaudhary, Congress candidate from South Shillong, slams the Sovereign Party by saying that the people are not going to flow with the winds of BJP in the area. After filing his nomination on Wednesday, talking to the reporters, he figured out that out of 32,000 voters, there are 11,000 voters who are Christian and anti-BJP, and stated that one of three is anti-BJP in South Shillong area. Further stating, he said that people of Laban are conscious and well aware of who is who.
Have his own pipe dream. He doesn't know that there is a double trouble for him. He is first having an anti-incumbency, huge burden of anti-incumbency, and now he has joined BJP, which is not acceptable to the people of 19 South. In our constituency, there were 32,000 voters. Out of these, 11,000 voters are the Christians and the Mohammedans. And they are not going to go the BJP way. So that means 1 out of 3 voters in 19 South are against BJP. How can he win by 15,000? This is a pipe dream. He is living in a fool's paradise. Let him be. His days are numbered. You cannot fool the people. People are intelligent in Laban. They're conscious. They know what is what. They're well informed. So there is no question of selling this kind of pipe dreams to the people through media. Act of God that BJP did not give me ticket. I would have been a defeated man. People would not have accepted me because I had joined that party, which is not acceptable to the majority people in Meghalaya. So it is an act of providence. The last moment they betrayed me, did not give me ticket. So today I'm in Congress and I feel so comfortable that I am very sure that the people will not accept BJP in 19 South.